Hi, my name is Wilmsmeier and I'm here today to talk to you today about UHF RFID based smart fridges, smart vending machines, or you can also talk about smart or autonomous shopping solutions. Well, yes, I'm here again with my favorite antenna, the LOCFIELD antenna, and this time I installed it here in a fridge. Yeah, you already got the point. We're talking about UHF RFID based autonomous inventory processes in fridges. And based on this, you can create different kind of solutions. For instance, tracking and tracing probes in labs. For instance, smart kind of shopping machines. If you would equip such a fridge with a payment terminal to open up the door to get access to the fridge itself, to open it when you present your credit card. But this time, well, I used a standard fridge here and I equipped it with two LOCFIELD antennas inside, which I just installed roughly for demonstration purpose underneath the two layers here, two short LOCFIELD antennas, which I connected to the reader, which is next to me. And this reader is connected to a small demo application, which I created to demonstrate the use case. In principle, this reader is already equipped with a feature that it could support different kind of software, embedded apps. By this, you can get easily the data into any application. So there is a project or application available which is called Fike to Any, so that you can get the data easily into your backend system. But coming back to the real demo, to the use case, here I'm demonstrating just the use case, but the LOCFIELD itself is in use in such application since years in real world application. So here just a small demo to demonstrate the capabilities and the application itself. But enough talk, let's see how it works. Inside the fridge, I equipped some items with transponders, passive UHF RFID transponders, also called RAIN RFID tags. All items which are equipped with such a tag can be identified, and within your database you can match here a description, for instance, to get it on the screen, as I did here for demonstration purpose. So when I open up the fridge, you can see that I equipped a lot of items with such tags. I use it as a flag tag, which has some benefits. If you're interested in the physics and the details, please feel free to get in touch with me. I'm more than open to support. So as soon as I pick out one of the items, for instance, here's a yogurt, we can see on the screen in the demo application that the yogurt is now no longer in the fridge. And of course, if I place it back in the fridge, it is detected again. So yeah, well, that's already the application. Of course, there's some physics behind, there's always physics behind and some limitations. I'm more than open to share my knowledge. I'm more than open to support you in your real world application. So as usual, please feel free to share your ideas, your questions here on YouTube, on social media, or send me an email.